Hearty welcome to your small presentation by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training Mumbai on online courses using life size platform. The following restrictions from time to time are implemented at basic or free plan by video conferencing service providers. They are total number of participants attending the meet at a time, duration of the meet, facility of recording the meet, and cloud storage. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has adopted a plan under life size platform, and it can be used by the regional offices and by Zonal Institute of Education and Training to conduct courses using life size. And the features in this life size are not restricted, and they are the same throughout the year. There won't be any change in the restrictions. For in this video you will learn how to schedule a meeting in life size, then how to invite participants, then how to start the meeting as a host, then how to present PPT, audio or video during the sessions. This is actually, it was a big question posed by most of the persons. Whenever they are presenting a PowerPoint presentation, it is well and good, but if they have any audio or video to be played and that playing that they had some problem when they are doing the session, then how to record the session. This video is made not only for the training associates and those who are going to conduct courses from Kendriya Vidyalaya side, but also you can share it with the participants because whenever you are conducting any course, you will be giving them group work and the participants will be trying to present some PPTs or audio and videos, therefore they also should be know it. And not only that, whenever we are calling any guest from outside, they may not be comfortable with the life size because they may be using the other platforms continuously, therefore they may not be comfortable with the life size. Therefore you can send this video to them so that it will become a tutorial for them and they can present their PPTs, audios and videos effectively during your session. Well, now let me go for opening that website lifesize.com, and all of you know that you can sign in. Every Zonal Institute of Education Training has been given a sign in credentials and also all the ROs including headquarter. Okay, I will sign in with the account of Zonal Institute of Education and Training because as I want to tell you that only the account of Zonal Institute of Education Trainings, ROs and KVS is having more features because it is a paid account. A person can have a life size account, his own life size account, but it is having a lot of restrictions. I am moving to sign in. But remember, whenever you are doing any program and you better sign it through the ZIET account or RO account so that it will have a lot of features. And I think there was a clear idea that suppose if you are want to conduct it using the life size phone HD device also, you can do it. It is being available at regional office and ZIET where presentation mode is available. You can connect your laptop or computer with that life size phone HD device and you can do the presentations. But the main aim of this particular video is I will tell you that how you can control everything from your computer. For login with this credential, and I am logging in with the ZIET Mumbai account. Okay, now remember whenever you are going to that account, and every account is having a unique number. This is the number for ZIET Mumbai 392308. You are seeing for every ZIET or RO you are having a separate number for it. It is a fixed extension number and you can copy it and you can share it with others, but be careful. This is actually account of KVZIET, but if you want to avoid it, avoiding it because it is a permanent account, I don't want to share it with the participants of any particular course, I will tell you how you can do it. Now this is actually the idea that you can go to these view recordings, whatever the recording you are making, it will go to the cloud, and the plan which Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has selected, it is having a cloud feature also. Well, now how to schedule a course. For example, I go to this meeting and here show all, go to that my meeting. I think no meeting is there, I have deleted everything. You click this create a meeting. It will ask you whether it is a one time meeting or a permanent meeting. Now I will now go for a one time meeting. Then you can give a name. For example, I will give workshop for Max teachers. Okay, now you see this numerical passcode you can select. For example, if you think that sir I want 888 1 2 3 4 5 6, then it can do it. If you don't do it, then it is recommended. If you don't do it, automatically live size will take it. Moderator will be KVZ at Mumbai because I am the moderator. Then even lecture also you can clear and you can save it, and automatically it is saved. Is it okay? Now it is coming in my meeting, workshop for Max teachers, and when I click it, for example, I am closing it. When I go for this my meeting and then click this Max teachers, and all these details are coming here. This is the calling detail, and you are seeing that a new number has been generated. Every time when you do it, a new number will be generated. Okay, now what you can do is you can copy this calling details and you can send it either by mail to a particular person. You are invited, join the meeting, like that, and otherwise you can send it through their WhatsApp message also. Now but the number, it is very very important. Those who are making use of their life size app, they have to simply type this number 10133138 for this particular workshop for Max teachers. Okay, I am just closing it. I am going back to this my meeting and then keep it my meeting ready. Now a person who has been given this link will automatically join the meet by simply clicking it. For him, it will go as a link to him, and he will simply click the link from his computer or from his mobile, whatever may be, or he will just type it, and it will ask him to only the name, and email is optional, and he will simply join the meet. Okay, he will be joining the meet, and he will be joining and waiting for you. And how to start the meet? What you have to do is, here there are so many symbols are there. You click this call with camera on. Normally I think we will be using a camera. For click it, call with camera on. Now this workshop for Max teacher has already started. Let me camera
joining
put
the
it off.
meeting.
It is joining the meeting. Remember that one person already who has joined, and I think from the another device I have already joined, and you can see my name here also. You see, Srini has joined, and moderator is the KVS here. And when all of them have joined, their names and participants name will come here. And remember, you can control it from the computer, but this control is not possible in that HD device which is available in the ZIAT and KVS. Well, now I think you can mute everybody. You can mute them, and you can unmute them also, and you are having the power to mute them, unmute them, and when they raise the hand, and you can see everything, you can do it. Therefore, now we have just seen that how to schedule a meeting, then how to call them. Okay, now the next question normally will be coming is then how to present something. Suppose this can be given to this idea can be given to anybody. Suppose guest is coming, and he will also get the same type of icons in his desktop. For example, in his screen also you will get all this. And sometimes what happens, suppose the version, if it differs, nowadays you are getting more icons also, and here I am having only 6 icons, and out of them the first one is showing the layout, second one is muting the microphone, third one is camera, fourth one is share your screen, fifth one is recording, fifth one is raise your hand. And remember that all the participants will have all these icons, they can do whatever they want. Therefore, now how to do the presentation? When you just click, now this to be shared with, this type of idea to be shared with all the participants and also the guest speaker also, if they have any confusion. You click the share your screen. Here you are seeing 3 options. Entire screen, which means that the whole screen, whatever he is doing in the screen, minimizing, maximizing, then whatever he does, it will be totally shown there. And window means whatever is opened. For example, I have opened some thing. Only that one will be shown, the remaining things will not be shown. Okay, now this Chrome tab is very very interesting. This Chrome tab is used to show videos and audio specially from YouTube. Okay, I will go from one by one. Okay, for example, if you click the entire screen, always remember, I will come out once again, I will cancel it and I will click it, and you see if you click this also, the share will get activated. Therefore, you tell them that you have to click the entire screen and then share it. And suppose if that particular PPT is having some sound or video, whatever may be, you should not forget to click this share audio. That is very, very important. If you don't do it, then definitely the audio will be a jarring audio and they cannot enjoy it. Therefore, you have to click that share audio and simply click share. Now, whatever I am doing, okay, already started sharing. Whatever I can minimize it, I can show the PPT. Suppose I can show it, I can open it. Okay, that everybody knows that what should be done. Minimize it and then go to the particular one. Okay, I will stop sharing now. Again, I will go for it. I will go to the window and I will go for only this PPT and then share. Only the PPT will be shown to them to the participants. The remaining thing will not be shown to the participants. Is it okay? Only the PPT which I am showing. Suppose I am just minimizing it, and remember that when I minimize it, I am doing it in my screen, but it will not get minimized in the screen of the participants. That is a speciality of this Windows. Clear? Again I repeat, if you share the screen, whatever you are doing here, whatever the action you are doing, it will be visible to everybody. Suppose if you share the window, for example PPT share, suppose one slide you are showing and you minimized it and you are doing some work, again you go back, nothing will happen to it and they cannot see it also. Okay, again I am stop sharing. Okay, now here as I told you earlier, whenever you are sharing the entire screen or window, whatever, entire screen, whenever you are sharing, this share audio should be selected, and whenever you are playing any video, whenever you are playing anything, automatically it will be very clearly visible and very clearly audible to the participants. Okay, well, now I will go to the Chrome tab. In the Chrome tab, already I have opened this video, YouTube video for you. You see, I have already opened this innovative practices of Z Mumbai video, and I have keep it ready. This should be kept ready if you want to show a YouTube video to the participants. And in that live size, whenever I am opening this Chrome tab, it is there. Then simply click it and then share audio to be selected and then share it. And automatically what will happen? They will see only this audio, this video, and you have to start it, and then they will enjoy the total video with the same sound, clear sound and clear picture. There will not be any kind of grumbling and all. Everything, nothing will be there. But this is the way that you can do it. And remember that when I am closing it, automatically remember this will automatically go. Is it okay? That is the idea. When I just close it, there also that will go, which means that when I close that YouTube video, then your sharing will go automatically. But for these two, that is entire screen and window, you have to close it, close the presentation, then only it will close. But from the Chrome tab, whenever you are playing any video, then when you close the YouTube video, you will come back to your screen where you are talking with them. But please be careful whenever you are clicking this entire screen. If you are showing any audio, please don't forget to click this share audio. Now it is totally highly nice. For now you are ready to show them anything, PPT with animations and everything you are able to show it. Okay, now this is the button for start recording. You can start the recording at any time, you can stop it at any time. As a moderator, you are having the control over all the participants, all your recording, whatever, suppose if I am just starting the recording, it will become red and you have started recording. I am already started the recording, and when I click it once again, and it will stop recording. Okay, when I stop it, and it will stop the recording. And as I told you earlier, you have to just come out, and then it will be shown there in my recordings with the date and all. You can download it, and whatever you want, you can share it with others. Okay, now how to stop it, all of you know that, and this is the button to leave it. Therefore simply you leave it. You are having the control, you are the moderator, simply leave it. Okay, now I hope that this video will help you then how to use this live size with some features, because it has been adopted by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Therefore we are free to use it with some features. Thank you friends.